Hello everyone! If you are in India and looking for a reliable laptop for work, study or gaming, Lenovo India offers a variety of models that cater to every need. Today I'll guide you on how to choose the right laptop and get a discount on your Lenovo India purchase by using our referral link. Lenovo India has an extensive lineup of laptops including ThinkPad series for professionals seeking durability and performance, IdeaPad series for students and casual users, Legend gaming laptops for high-end gaming performance, Yoga series for those who need a flexible convertible laptop. On the Lenovo India website, you can customize your laptop with upgrades like additional RAM, SSD storage, and extended warranty plans. They also offer educational discount, business bundles, and seasonal sales during festivals and special events. There's a Build Your PC feature where you can configure specs to fit your exact requirements, making sure you get the best performance within your budget. You also here have to select the country as India, so you make sure that this will be shipped to specifically to India. So now, to secure your Lenovo India discount, make sure to click the referral link below. This will unlock exclusive online pricing, cashback offers, and potential extra discount on custom built laptops. Whether you're upgrading for work or gaming, Lenovo India has the laptop for you, and now's your chance to save even more.